Hi everyone, welcome to the Richword channel. Ever wonder why some embroidery looks extra high-end? It's because they use the right thread. Today we will unbox our 4000 meters embroidery threads, showing you the specs, colors, and details. Let's get started! Our smallest bundle, a set of 4 spools. It's perfect for beginners, testing new colors or adding essentials. It includes classic shades like black, white, red, yellow, blue, and brown. Simple and practical. But if you are looking for more variety, we also offer sets of 15, 40, 60, and even 100 colors. The 15 color set focuses on vibrant hues, covering most of the colors you will need for typical projects. It's perfect for beginners or anyone working with basic designs. The 40 color set includes 3 to 5 shades per color family, plus essential colors like black, white, brown, and gray. It's perfect for users with more complex designs and higher color needs. The 60 color set is an ungraded version of the 40 color set, offering ever more depth and variety. If you are working on commercial orders or creating design with a lot of detail, this set will be very useful. Our 100 color set is our largest and covers nearly every shade you can imagine. Perfect for both simple and intricate designs. It's highly recommended for high-value or versatile embroidery work. We offer a basic set of 100 colors, including essentials like black, white, red, and gray, ideal for stocking up. Plus, 20 trading color sets are available. You can refer to our Pantone and material color comparison chart for easy selection. Next, our largest spools have 4000 meters of thread, perfect for home, commercial, or industrial machines. For high-volume orders, a single spool lasts longer and saves time and effort. When it comes to embroidered threads, there are many different naming systems for thread size, like Daniel tags or German name, so it can be a bit confusing. No worries, Richword uses the standard American WT system to label our thread. Each spool is marked with 40 WT. We also call it 40 weight, indicating the thread thickness. The smaller the number, the thicker the thread. The 40 weight thread works for most projects, except for final lettering, which requires the 60 weight thread. That's why we use the most widely accepted specification. The 108 Daniel-2 label on the 40 weight thread means this thread is made from 2 strands of 108 Daniel fibers, which is a common specification for polyester embroidery thread. 40 weight and the 120 Daniel-2 are essentially the same, just different labeling, so we only need to follow one. The difference between 108 Daniel-2 and 120 Daniel-2 is minimal, simply the weight before and after drying. And the number on the white part of the label corresponds to the color code for these spools of thread. We offer 100 different colors to choose from, and this color card is included with your purchase to help you quickly select the right designs. By the way, our thread colors match exactly with the brush colors in the InStitch Studio software, so you can stitch with the same colors you used in your design, quick and convenient. As you can see, each spool is evenly wound in a clockwise direction, reducing the risk of tangling or breaking, especially on multi-needle machines. Even under the high-speed operation of an embroidery machine, our thread maintains smooth flow without breaking, and it passes our tension test with flying colors. It's not just about specs. The real-world performance is equally impressive. Whether you are working on hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and denim and bags, our embroidered thread delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. After watching this, what combination do you like the most? If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment with you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!